Can I compare historical tennis data across different surfaces? Have you ever wondered if you can really compare tennis data from different surfaces? It's a fascinating question that many fans and analysts ponder. Let's break it down. Yes, you can compare historical tennis data across different surfaces, but it's not as straightforward as it might seem. Tennis is played on three main surfaces: clay, grass, and hard courts. Each surface has its own unique characteristics that can greatly affect how the game is played. Clay courts are known for being the slowest surface. They are made of layers of crushed gravel and topped with red brick dust. This combination increases friction, leading to higher bounces and slower ball speeds. Players who excel on clay often thrive in long rallies and use heavy topspin. A prime example is Rafael Nadal, who is celebrated for his clay court prowess. On the other hand, grass courts are the fastest surface. They consist of natural grass, which causes the ball to skid and bounce lower. This surface is ideal for players with strong serve and volley skills and quick reflexes. Roger Federer is a perfect example of a player who has dominated on grass. Hard courts fall somewhere in between clay and grass. They are typically made from concrete or asphalt with an acrylic top layer. This surface provides a balanced playing field that suits a variety of playing styles. Novak Djokovic is often regarded as one of the best hardcourt players. When comparing historical data across these surfaces, there are several factors to keep in mind. First, you should analyze performance metrics like win-loss records and titles separately for each surface. The distinct playing conditions mean that a player's success on one surface may not translate to another. Next, consider the distribution of tournaments across surfaces. Historically, clay courts have hosted a significant number of tournaments, followed by hard courts and grass courts. This distribution can affect the volume of data available for each surface. Another important aspect is player preferences and adaptability. Some players perform significantly better on one surface compared to others. This can skew their overall historical performance when viewed across all surfaces. Lastly, remember that surfaces and equipment have evolved over time. Changes in court maintenance, ball technology, and player conditioning can impact how data from different eras is comparable. In practical terms, comparing historical tennis data by surface can help evaluate player strengths and weaknesses, predict match outcomes, and inform betting strategies. For instance, a player with a high win rate on clay but poor results on grass may be favored in clay tournaments but not on grass. So, while it is indeed possible to compare historical tennis data across different surfaces, it requires careful consideration of the unique characteristics of each surface and the context of the matches played. This approach ensures that the analysis remains meaningful and accurate.